Alright, so let us find the number of ways to make a sum of rupees 100 using 2 and 5 rupee coins. Let there be x 2 rupee coins and y 5 rupee coins. So that means we can write this as 2x plus 5y is equal to the sum 100. Now, as x comma y are non-negative integers, let us start with the minimum case where x is equal to 0. That means there are no 2 rupee coins and all of the coins are just 5 rupee coins. So starting with x0, we get the value of y as 20, and if x is 1, this cannot be true nor 2 because 100 is a 5 multiple and 5y is a 5 multiple. Hence, this term must also be a 5 multiple. So directly we can say that neither 3, 4 satisfies. So the next case will be x being equal to 5. So this gives the value of y as 100 minus 10 upon 5. So 90 by 5, which is equal to 18. So the next value of x will be 10, which gives the value of y as 100 minus 20 upon 5, which is equal to 16. So like this, we get cases of 0, 20, 5, 18, 10, 16, and so on till y being equal to 0 and x being 50. So which means there will be 11 such possible cases because it takes from 0 to 20, all the even numbers will be equal to 11. So the number of ways to make a sum of rupees 100 using 2 rupee and 5 rupee coins will be 11. I hope you understood watching this. Thank you.